Good morning! Happy Friday! It has been a long time since I've done a vlog. It's been very busy here and I thought I would jump on this morning and give you guys an update, but I just came inside. You see that? Is spring ever gonna get here? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna grab a coffee and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you a full update. It's gonna be a fun one. Okay, I got unbundled and got a hot coffee and now I can give you this update. It's so exciting. There's so many things that are happening and that's part of the reason I haven't had a chance to do vlogs, is because I've just been hyper focused on what it is that's happening around here, and it's super exciting. I can't tell you all of the details, but I can tell you that there is a very exciting announcement coming in the March 1st newsletter. So if you aren't already subscribed to that newsletter, the link is down below in the description box, and you're going to want to make sure that you are subscribed to that newsletter so that you get it, because it only comes out to subscribers, so it doesn't get resent. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So you have to be subscribed before the release date in order to get the email. Otherwise, I'm sure I'll be able to put it in the Facebook group. I'm learning all of these things. And that's one of the exciting things that's happened, is I've recruited some help. I am not a tech wizard, and I find it sometimes really frustrating, and it's taken me a long time to do small little projects, and that's just not a great use of my time. So my sister-in-law Pam is helping me with some of this behind the scenes tech stuff. So hopefully that will mean that when I say stuff's gonna happen, it's actually gonna happen, because I will have some help. And yeah, that's really exciting. It means growth. I'm so excited that we are, I say that word a lot. I need to find a different word to use instead. But like, I can't contain myself. It's just, it's amazing. What's happening right now is amazing. I'm so distracted by the snow. It is nearly the end of February and it just keeps coming. Enough already. Enough. I've had enough. The dog is keeping me warm. She's on my lap. She's a distraction. It makes it hard to work. So we are nearing the end of February, and I just want to do a quick reminder that the subscription club, the Club Couture special, is going to end on Monday at the end of February. So, and it is amazing. Sign up for your monthly subscription and you're going to get 6 transfers. 5 of them are free. And that's unheard of. And if you're already a club member and you haven't placed your qualifying order this month and you are thinking about ordering, you need to get that done, because if your order qualifies, you get those 5 transfers for free too. So all sorts of free things happening this month. We had a fabulous Zoom class. We had 2 Zoom classes in 1 week, one just for club members and one for all of my VIPs. And if you missed it, I'm going to link that below, because it was so much fun. We got to connect. Some of the community does not live locally. Actually, a lot of the community doesn't live locally. And these Zoom calls and crafting sessions are a great way for us to get to know each other. Thank goodness for technology in this respect. So I'm gonna link it down below so that you can join us the next time. They will be on the March calendar, and they happen once a month, more if I feel inspired, but definitely once a month, where we all get together by Zoom and we craft and create. And you can create whatever you want. You do not have to be creating with chalk. You can sew, you can just bring a mug of tea and come and sit and chat with us, whatever you want to create, or just sit and chat and connect. That's fantastic too. So I will make sure to make sure you're invited and given a heads up when that's going to happen. So retreats are also in the works. The April retreat unfortunately had to be canceled. We didn't have enough registrations. We have to meet a minimum of 15 people in order to book the venue. So we didn't quite make it for April. So that's kind of disappointing, but at the same time, this is all a learning process for me and for you as well. So we now know that maybe April's not the best month, or maybe I didn't give enough notice. Who knows? But we're moving forward. April is nearly to minimum, so we are almost there. And I'm going to continue to push that. But if you have some friends who might be wanting to come to May, make sure that you get them the forms or get them into the group. I'll link it down below so that they don't miss out, because there's a small window of minimum and then full. So we want to make sure that you get all of your friends there as well. So, and May is going to be a great month. We're going to do, it's before Mother's Day. So we're going to do some Mother's Day crafting. We're going to do some spring crafts. Trail riding will be open, so we'll be able to trail ride. And usually in May, the weather is pretty good and there aren't a whole ton of bugs. So we'll be able to do some outside stuff and some walking and hiking. Yeah, so that's going to be exciting. Hopefully I will see you there. I am working on the compilation video. I hope to get it out today. Of what happened at the fall retreat, so you can kind of get a glimpse of what happened there, and then be inspired to come and join us. It is a lot of fun. A great group of people coming together, connecting, crafting, creating, relaxing, recharging, all of those things, and it's amazing, and I would love to meet you there. We did our first live sale on my birthday. I don't think I've vlogged since my birthday, so it's been a couple of weeks. So we did a balloon pop and we did a live sale, and it has been, it was super fun. So many great things. And we've decided that that's what we're gonna do moving forward. When I craft and I create live for you in the Facebook group and sometimes here on YouTube, all of those creations are gonna go into a live sale. And we're gonna do it probably once every 6 weeks. I would think there'd be enough stuff to do a live sale for. Maybe, I'm not gonna commit to a date because I think it will depend on what sort of things I've created and whether or not they're seasonal. But there are lots of you who just wanna buy finished creations, don't have an interest in crafting, like watching, but don't wanna create your own. So we're gonna do a live sale in the Facebook group to sell off those items, and they can all be shipped. I shipped several pieces this time, and I'd love to ship more. So if you're interested in the creations that I make, please make sure to join the Facebook group. I will link it down below so that you don't miss out when that sale goes live. I'm going to try and do a little bit more notice than I did the last time, and that way you can invite your friends too in case they're interested. Lots of work happening downstairs in the workshop. I will put a picture here. I've done some painting, and I've got some new window coverings and all sorts of things, and a new system for organizing the transfers, which is exciting, and I will show that to you in these images. And if you are somebody who is local to me and you're considering coming for a workshop, the March schedule will be in that newsletter that I mentioned at the beginning of this vlog, and it is the subscription to that is linked down below. You're going to want to see it. The whole schedule is there this time. I'm on the ball with descriptions and costs and times and images. Oh my goodness. It's because I have help. I'm so excited. Anyway, make sure you're subscribed to that newsletter. I'm going to drop a few images of projects that we've made in the last little while here. And that should be about it. It's a short and sweet vlog this week. I just wanted to get you up to date and make sure you know that that announcement is coming on March 1st. That's Tuesday next week. And you're going to want to be subscribed to the newsletter because that's where it's being announced. And there is a whole new, can't even tell you. There's links to new things. You're going to be so excited. Anyway, I hope you will join me there, and I will see you then. Take care, stay safe, and be well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload new content, and you don't miss a thing happening over here. All right? Take care, stay safe, and be well. Have a fabulous weekend. And if it's snowing where you are, stay warm. Bye, everybody.